Okay, this is also a two-bedroom in an elevated building on Walton Avenue near 167th and Grand Concourse. I wanted to start in the hallway because we have four closets here. Then the kitchen's not finished being worked on yet. The appliances are in, brand new microwave, dishwasher, sink, but the countertops are still being done. Tile floor in the, that'll be a tile with the tile to match the tile backsplash. Brand new cabinets and your living room. The living room is nice, high ceilings, nice big size. It's just they haven't finished the floors yet. Let's see. Now then we're going to the bedrooms. Bathroom is bathroom's all done. Nice shiny. Nice shiny. Alright, and then you have the bedrooms, fairly equal size, also have closets. And here's the other bedroom right next to it. Also can fit a queen or full size bed and closets. Okay? But we got a lot of closets in this apartment. This is on the second floor, elevator building, laundry in the basement. Any questions? 347-283-7558. That's 347-283-7558. Thank you.